So hi guys, Max here again. Swinner Max here again. My name is actually Max. And today, I'll show you guys the basement. I did. Yeah, basement footage. So guys. Not my house, guys. I'm scared. Okay. So okay, we do this, guys. I'm scared. Okay, guys.
Let me have my phone real quick. I gotta take a picture.
A few seconds. I have. I see that. Our basement footage. Wow. Hi guys. My way. Leave a like down below and leave us a thumbs up. And comment on below if your basement ever flooded.